this is Shelley from Frugal Family Home, and today I'm showing you how to make homemade cream chocolates. Yes, those buttery, creamy centers that are engulfed in chocolate. They're so delicious, and you can make them at home. They're simple to do. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to make your own cherry cream chocolates. Okay, we have our dried cherries, and we're just going to add them to a bowl. And to that, we're going to add some hot water and let them soak for about 15 minutes. We have our cherries that have been soaked. They're nice and soft now, and we're just going to chop them into smaller pieces. And that looks good. Okay, to our bowl, we're going to add 3.5 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. We're just going to scoop it in there. And then we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter and some cherry candy flavoring. Just 1 drop is needed. And now we're going to mix it until it's all well incorporated. Okay, and now we have the powdered sugar we're going to add next. We'll just mix in the powdered sugar. Be sure to put your mixer on low to start. Once you mix it with your powdered sugar, it's going to be kind of crumbly and dry, just like this. And that's okay. If you squeeze it really hard, it kind of sticks together, but we want it more crumbly because we're going to add the cherries, which are going to have liquid. Cherries that were rehydrated and then chopped, we're going to add those next, and we're going to mix those in. Now, as you can see, we didn't have to add any liquid. We just added the cherries, and it's actually a little too sticky right now to roll. So I'm going to add a little bit more powdered sugar, and you'll have to do this until you get a nice consistency that you can handle and roll. So just keep adding a little more of the powdered sugar until it's a consistency that you can handle and roll. And as you can see, it was very dry, but after we added the cherries, it releases quite a bit of the liquid out of them, and it also colors the cream filling. So now we're going to add some more of our powdered sugar just to firm up our filling. We'll just be adding a small amount, mixing and adding a small amount until it thickens up and it's easy to handle. Mix in the last of it. You may have to mix it in by hand if it's too thick for your mixer. And as you get towards the end, you can just kind of knead the last little bit of powdered sugar in, and then we'll roll them into it. So we have our cherry filling here, and you just want to pull off pieces and roll them up into balls, just like that, and then just set them aside onto a lined cookie sheet. And we're just continue to do this until all of our filling material is rolled up. And here's our last one. We're going to add it to our tray, and then we're going to take this, put it in the freezer for ½ an hour. Okay, we're going to take our chocolate and place it in a pan and melt it over low heat while stirring. And now our chocolate is all melted. So we're going to grab our cherry cream centers and start dipping them. Take our frozen cherry cream, drop it into our chocolate, and then just flip it around to coat it. Lift it out and then place it right back down on our sheet. And we're going to do this for all of our cherry creams. And now the only thing left to do is to let them set up, and they'll be ready to enjoy. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make your own homemade cherry cream chocolates. They're simple to make, just a few steps and a few ingredients too. And if you like the printable recipe, look for the link in the description. If you don't subscribe to our channel yet, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.